Hey guys, what's going on? It's Tommy Desmond. I just want to put together a really quick video just because I went into a small fit yelling at my computer here today. And not just today, but this has been happening pretty consistently. I don't know if Google's changed their algorithm or what, but I've been getting a lot of legitimate emails getting sent immediately into spam. And this is not one-off sends. This is people who I'm in the middle of communicating with for transactions that are in my contact list, and I mean there's no functional reason why this should be happening, and it just recently started, and it's happening a lot. Like, I mean, I have to spend a lot of time in my spam folder every day making sure I'm not losing stuff. So figured out a way around it, and there's, if you actually go into one of these emails, there's a button here that says not spam. Theoretically, if you click that, it's gonna now note this email address and note the components of it and allow it to come through. I've done that with every single one that has still kept going to spam. It hasn't done anything. What I have figured out will work though is if you go in here to this three dots, which is the menu drop down, and click filter messages like these, it'll have the email address that it's coming from. You can click create filter and then click never send to spam, and that will automatically, anything coming in from that email address will not go back to spam if it has been happening to you. You could also have it apply retroactively to everything that person sent, so it can extract it all out. And then you hit create filter, and so far that has worked. Hopefully it will keep working. I'm not sure why this is a occurrence that's now happening, but it is the case. So anyway, if you're having this issue, that could be a solution for you too. And yeah, don't judge me for having 4,000 emails in my inbox. I'm working through them. This is only like a week. So anyway, guys, take it easy.